Why do we dream? You might think it's to escape from reality, but the truth is actually more fascinating. And although scientists and psychologists don't know the exact reason, they have proposed some pretty mind-blowing theories. First, let's take a closer look at what dreams actually are. Dreams occur during a special period of sleep called REM, which stands for rapid eye movement. That's because your eyes move quickly from side to side as you dream. You might also talk, make funny noises, or even experience muscle spasms. Now, whether you remember your dreams or not depends on many things, such as how long you've been asleep, how deeply you were sleeping, and whether you were awakened suddenly. But most people will have between 1 and 7 dreams every night, usually lasting from a few seconds to about 20 minutes each. So why does your brain take you on these nightly adventures? Well, here are 6 of the best explanations scientists have come up with. 1. Memory consolidation. Your brain processes and organizes memories while you sleep, and dreams are part of that process. Scientists believe that dreaming helps your brain make sense of the day's events and file them away for later. It's like a nightly download to your memory bank, but that doesn't mean you actually remember your dreams. Studies show that people who can't dream don't have problems with memory. However, research also shows that dreams may help reinforce important information and discard unnecessary details. So instead of trying to remember every little thing you dreamed about, your brain decides what's important and stores that in your long-term memory. 2. Emotional processing. Psychologists believe that dreams are a way for your brain to process emotions and cope with stress or trauma. This is why people often dream about emotionally significant events or situations. Your dreams may help you work through these feelings and develop healthy ways to express them. 3. Problem solving and creativity. Have you ever woken up with a brilliant idea? Sometimes your dreams can help you solve problems or come up with creative solutions. That's because when you're dreaming, your brain makes unusual connections that you wouldn't normally think of when awake. For example, the periodic table was partly inspired by a dream, and certain songs or inventions came to the dreamers while they were sleeping. So next time you're stuck on a problem, your subconscious might be working on it while you dream. Just don't forget to ask your brain for its ideas when you wake up. Otherwise, they might just slip away like the morning mist. 4. Threat simulation. Proposed by evolutionary psychologists, this theory suggests that dreams act as a virtual reality where we rehearse our responses to threats, improving our chances of survival. By simulating dangerous situations in a safe environment, your brain prepares you to react more effectively in real life. So next time you find yourself running from a tiger in your dream, you might just be getting ready for a job interview in a parallel universe, who knows? 5. Random brain activity. According to the activation synthesis theory, dreams are just your brain's way of making sense of random neural activity during sleep. In other words, your brain creates a story to interpret these signals, even if the dream seems meaningless to you. Some studies support this idea, showing that dreams occur when the brainstem activates areas related to thinking and emotion. So those weird, sometimes scary, sometimes happy, sometimes sad, sometimes nonsensical dreams you have might just be your brain playing the sleep version of the lottery. If you win, you get an exciting adventure in dreamland. If not, you might just wake up confused and wondering what that noise was. 6. Wish fulfillment. Sigmund Freud believed that dreams were a window into the unconscious mind, and that dreaming could fulfill wishes that couldn't be satisfied while awake. According to him, dreams have hidden meanings that reflect our deep fears and wishes. While this theory has been around for ages, there's limited evidence to support it directly. However, it's still a fascinating way to think about dreams and their possible connections to our deepest desires. So the next time you find yourself soaring through the skies in a hot air balloon made of cheese, ask yourself, what does it really mean? Now that you know why we dream, you might wonder, why do some dreams feel so real? Well, that's because when you're dreaming, your brain deactivates parts that are responsible for logic and self, allowing your imagination to run wild. The lack of self-awareness makes the dream world feel immersive and real, while strong emotions and sensory details make the experience even more vivid. It's like your brain is creating a movie in your mind and you're right there in the middle of the action. So the next time you find yourself living out your wildest fantasies or facing your greatest fears in a dream, remember that it's all happening inside your head. And even though we don't fully understand dreams yet, they're a reminder of the amazing complexity and power of our minds. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching.